Stuck to this and you knew that
He's after
something
the
was amiss, Manti.
Starling.
Sure.
Why?
Well,
They're gonna
Katie,
fight.
put yourself in my situation. Katie, put yourself in my situation.
Whoa, get him!
My
Go get him!
whole world
Get him!
told me that she died on September.
The other one.
Everybody knew that. This girl who I committed myself to died on September 12th.
Pick
Now
him.
I get a phone call on December 6th saying that she's alive, and then I'm going to be put on national TV 2 days later, and they ask me about the same question.
Red-breasted nuthatch.
I think on December 6th or 7th, I would have gone
Get
to
that
my
Starling.
coaches or gone to someone and said,
Get him!
this situation is so
Peck 'em.
messed up. I have been,
Get
I
'em.
think, the victim
Get
of
that
a cruel
Starling.
prank.
Get him!
This person is changing her story. They're messing with me. It's not holding
Get
up.
that Starling.
This is not right. We got to get to the bottom of this now. That's what I would have done.
Get him.
Yeah, I
There's
did.
another one. Get him.
But that's why I think, Manti, people are looking at this story and thinking that you helped